Hi ma'am, good afternoon. Can you tell me about yourself?
Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Mildred Bacalso Villanueva, 24 years old, currently addressing in The Hague, Cagayan de Oro City, Philippines.
And can you tell me about your marital status, ma'am?
I am a single, but I have a live-in partner.
Do you have children?
Yes, I have. My daughter is 9 years old and my son is 8 years old.
Okay, so how many siblings do you have, ma'am?
All we is I have a one brother and I am a youngest children.
Okay, in the family.
Yes.
So can you tell me about your educational background?
I'm stopped. I am a college undergraduate. I'm not finished my studying because of my financial problem.
Alright, so from what school, ma'am?
Cagayan de Oro College.
Okay, so what course did you took in college,
I
ma'am?
took up and BS Criminology.
Okay, so do you have work experience abroad?
I know, ma'am.
How about local experience, ma'am?
Yes, I have.
From what year, ma'am?
Year of 2021 until 2024.
Okay, so can you tell me, ma'am, your duties and responsibilities there?
Helping school canteen, preparing foods, and take them my young child
To school?
to school. Yes,
Okay, so aside from taking care of the young child, ma'am, how old is the child, ma'am?
11 years old and 10 years old.
Okay, so aside from taking care of the child, helping in the canteen, do you have any other duties and responsibilities, ma'am?
Yes. I also do house cleaning, laundry, and ironing.
Okay, so how would you describe yourself, ma'am?
I am a trustworthy person and honest and do my responsibility of duties.
Okay, do you have any tattoo in your body?
No, ma'am.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No, ma'am.
So why do you want to work abroad, ma'am?
To to help my parents in financial and to give the best school of my child and give them needs.
Okay. Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
How about big dogs, ma'am?
Sometimes.
Okay, so it depends on the size of the pets.
Yes.
So is it okay if you're going to take care of small pets?
Yes.
Okay. So can you give me your idea how can you take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
First is I will calm my boys and read them stories and playing with them.
Okay. So what is your message to your future employer, ma'am?
Hi, ma'am, sir. I am a very trusty people, honest, and I will do my best to fulfill my works to you, and I will promise that I will finish my contract.
All right. Is that all, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much, ma'am.